Hi Ron, this is Michaela. Thank you so much for taking my call the other day. As mentioned, I have just a quick 5-minute video showcasing how to get more leads to your website, as well as just going over your overall presence on the internet right now. Again, this is all free information. All that I ask is that you just give me a quick email at the end of this to let me know your thoughts on the video, and I would greatly appreciate it. So to get started, I'm going to talk about 3 different areas that Google really likes to see and considers whenever ranking people along the Google platform. Number 1 is going to be content. Content is so important to Google, and content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So I see that you don't have a lot of content on your site, and I'm going to go over why content is so important to Google. Whenever you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia always shows up as the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because of content. Content is huge for Google. It does a sweep every few weeks of the internet and finds those websites with a large amount of content, and that's the biggest organic mover of websites of that Google platform. So beyond citations and backlinks and all the things you've been told, content alone is going to be the biggest organic mover of a website up the Google platform. So what I recommend is about 1,500 words of content on your home page. That's going to beat your competitor. Here's a competitor's site. This is Oops Steam Cleaning, also in Houston. I realize they're a bigger corporation, but just to show you, they do have quite a bit of content on their homepage, and so they're ranking alone for that beyond whatever else they're ranking for. So just use that as an example. Content is great. Google loves content, and it's a great indicator of getting moved up that ladder. When I switch over here to Ahrefs, it just kind of gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet. And as you can see right here, you're bringing in 0 traffic to your website right now. Nobody is finding you by your website. And the reason is because of keywords. You're currently ranking for As You Like It Cleaners, which is the name of your business. However, you're at position 21, so you're on the top of page 3 for your own business. So even if somebody typed in As You Like It Cleaners, they wouldn't find you because most people don't go beyond page 1, sometimes page 2 to find what they're looking for. So being at the top of those ranks is definitely going to be an advantage to you and your business. So when it comes to keywords, these are just basic search topics that people search on a daily basis. Those keywords need to be present in the text that you put on your website. So let's say carpet cleaners, Houston, Texas. As You Like It Carpet Care is among the top carpet cleaners, Houston, Texas area, something similar to that. So those keywords need to be present within your text, okay? I do see you're doing pretty well on some citations. But the way that this actually bumps you up a lot is by getting to the top of this Google map. If you, again, type in something basic, we all know about the GMB. I'm not sure that you have a GMB, but if you do, you're definitely going to be adding citations, correct? So a citation is anywhere that your business name, location, and phone number appear in an online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. Getting to the top of this list helps you to also be seen by Google. So I do have the capability to see how many your current competition has, to know how many you would need to beat it, but just adding lots of citations on a daily basis is also going to help move you up that ladder in those ranks as well. Getting into these positions gets you the most business just because you're visible and people think that these are the top rated and the best, and obviously they have quite a few ratings that put them in a good position, so that's going to help their business as well. So by getting more citations, this UR number goes up. And I'm going to talk about why these numbers are important. Google likes these numbers to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. And as they climb and go up to 30, that creates a lot of stability within Google. So these referring domains here are what's really important for your backlinks. Having like Angie's List and Home Advisor, things like that refer back to your website. Good, strong, trusted backlinks are going to give you a lot of influence. If you look here, out of all of those domains, only 2 provide do follow links, meaning that the links actually work Otherwise, you just put your link on a site and it's almost like a dead link. So getting more that actually do refer back to your website are going to bring a lot of influence, causing this DR number to increase. So by getting good quality domains will increase your DR. Getting more citations will increase your UR as well as push you to the top of the Google map, getting you seen by your competitors. Then getting good quality content on your homepage with keywords. And then for your services, what's typically recommended is do a separate page for every heading. The reason is Google only can pick up one heading on a page. So because you have professional services here that's bigger than residential carpet cleaning, you're probably not being found for any of these services. So by doing a separate page and making residential carpet cleaning the heading, you will be found for that, and then any keywords regarding to residential carpet cleaning will be in the text, which is always recommended anywhere between 5 to 750 words of text on every additional page. Well, I hope this was good information for you. That's all I have for you today. If you don't mind, like you said, if you could please send me a quick email and just let me know what you thought about this, I would greatly appreciate it. But I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.